Today, we're at a commercial to residential site and we're going to be talking about this site. We're talking about how we acquired it, how we funded it, the numbers of it, any complications we had with it, and you want to watch this video to the end because I'm going to be dropping some gems in this one. Right, so this site was acquired with an agent who I know. I've talked about this in previous videos, is you have to keep and maintain a relationship with agents and you can never let an agent down. So this agent acquired sites probably 7 or 8 in the last 18 months. When we first started off, there was a site that we acquired and we made a loss of about £40,000. Even though we knew that loss was going to be coming, we still completed the site. Now that same agent gave us another site, and with the other site we made over £1 million. So the point I'm trying to make is that you've got to stick to your word and don't let the agent down, because the agent will come good and give you another property afterwards. Offices above commercial units generally now don't really work anymore, due to the fact that people can go to these other offices which are modern and have everything going for them, and they can choose the size of office. It sometimes works out a bit cheaper for them, which is why up and down the country you can find offices like this that are going to be available that you can convert into flats. So you've got stations going straight to London, you've got car parking here, you've got restaurants here, you've got bars here, you've got meaning your Tesco's, etc. all around the corner here. Everything is here that you need. Look, what does this building have? Does it have a 3-phase meter? Because if it does, I can split it easier. Cost-wise, it's cheaper for me to convert it into 2 flats, because utilities are very, very expensive. Because as you guys know, EPC ratings are going to change. I want to keep gas in this because it's the easiest way to meet EPC requirements that are going to come in place. There's a number of checklists that we have and we do, and if you want to know more, just comment and we'll send you the list that we use. Office to residential conversions are very simply what they are. They are commercial offices to residential, but it's not always offices. So commercial residential, you can even do it on retail units, depending again where it is, and it's not in Article 4, etc, etc. You can convert the back of your commercial unit. You can actually convert the whole of your commercial unit if you want into residential. So what are we doing here? We've got 2 floors here of offices and we're converting each floor into a 1-bedroom flat. It's already got planning permission. Lucky for us, we actually purchased it with the planning permission, but the landlord didn't want to do the works. We've already started to partition the bathroom, which is going to be ensuite here. This is bedroom number 1. It's only going to be bedroom number 1 because it's only 1 bedroom. This will be the kitchen area here. So we're going to partition this, make this a kitchen area. And then we're going to do a lovely lounge, which is going to be in here, Brenton. This will be the lounge here. So this will be here, and then, yeah, this is going to be all of it. This will be our flat number 1, and upstairs is going to be flat number 2. If you come, I'll show you what we're doing there. This one seems a bit smaller, but it's not. But again, you can see we've started to partition the ensuite here for the bathroom. So this is going to be the bedroom, much, much bigger actually than downstairs. And we're going to have an open plan kitchen diner in here, which is, you see downstairs, Brenton, I know we had that little passageway there, but we took that away. This is actually open and a bit bigger. And probably going to put, either make this a cloakroom, or maybe if we need a boiler in there, I know it's over there at the moment, we might push it in here. We haven't decided yet. Like I just said, we just started the works yesterday on this. So we're going to decide what we're doing with that. But I think a little cloakroom would be quite good for storage. So yeah, that's going to be our 2 flats in this office conversion. How do we fund this deal? Well, it's quite simple actually. We have to work backwards, so you work out what a GDV is, and you've got to get a valuation report done for a lender. Once they're happy with it, generally you put down 25%, 75% you borrow, and either you want development finance, or if you've got capital yourself, you do that yourself. We've got the capital, so we deploy that ourselves. So it's quite simple. We put down 25% and borrow 75% from a lender, and yeah, we're spending our money in the build. So gem number 1, what I would say to you is, look, with the EPC rules and regulations changing, we try and keep gas in the property. I know a lot of people don't like that, but we actually want to keep it because services are here. So downstairs we made sure, but you have top floor on that. So downstairs we made sure it had gas, which it has, and we're keeping that. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep 1 flat with the gas, because it's very expensive to split that, and then keep this one probably as electric. Next door's got the same issue, so we're going to be doing something similar there. But if you got gas, use it. So as mentioned, this was bought as a multi-unit site. So if I was to separate this site, I would tell you it's probably worth around £250,000. We're going to be looking at spending approximately £50,000 a flat. So we're in at 100,000 there. And what we worked out and we got valued is this unit alone with 2 flats is worth approximately £600,000 to £625,000. So this is only a small part of what we acquired, as I mentioned before. Watch part 2 because you're going to have Hardik talking about the other 5 units that we got and you don't want to miss that. Guys, do me a favor, if you like this and you like any of our videos, make sure you like, subscribe and share these videos because it encourages us to make more videos for you.